Atomstack. This video is sponsored by Atomstack. Thanks to Atomstack for sending this X24 Pro laser cutting machine. It's a single piece solid open frame. Alright, let's see the contents. Single piece frame, laser module, very cool. Power supply, power cord, safety keys, Wi-Fi antenna, USB to USB-C cable, safety goggles, flash drive, a cloth to clean your laser, slider, fixed focus lens guide, thumb screws and screws, hexagon L-shaped wrench, X-axis link cable, a silicone air hose, wire anchors, user manual, LCD screen with an HDMI port, comes with HDMI cable, little manual for the screen. So basically it's the Atomstack X24 Pro. A quick assemble. Very nice keys. We have the alarm and emergency stop. Few ports in the front, external Y axis, USB, a reset button, and HDMI. On the right side we have other ports, Wi-Fi antenna port, computer port, and power port. And this slider that goes here. Put the 4 screws, tighten the screws with the L wrench, and we make sure it's tight and secure. Laser module should slide right on the slider, and I have 2 thumb screws. They go right here. That will help me adjust the height of my laser module. Tighten. Good. It's looking good. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to install my Wi-Fi antenna. Leave my antenna just like that. Alright, now the tubing. One goes in the laser module and the other one right here on the right side. Excellent. This link cable goes here. Make sure it's secure, tight. The other end is in the back of this piece where it says laser. You see there? Laser. I am using Lightburn, so I already connected the screen, the power, and the PC to the Atomstack. Let's begin. Key, switch. Oh, cool. And this is a touchscreen. With the settings, you can choose language, tilt detection, and touch sound. There's nothing in there obviously, but I'm testing the framing function. Cool. For this model, check the link in the description. Laser engraving features 1-piece metal frame, super stable, 600 millimeters per second. That is 36,000 millimeters per minute. Built-in cross laser positioning. Built-in gyroscope, automatic tipping detection, stainless steel color engraving. Software you can use Laser GRBL, that's free for Windows. Another software that I use, Lightburn, and it comes with 30-day free trial. Main materials you can use plywood, stainless steel, acrylic, wood, plastic, glass, leather. The Atomstack comes with a built-in air assist. Do not try this at home. This is for demo purposes. The Atomstack X24 Pro does not come with the honeycomb bed. You need to buy that separately, and I have one here that's from another laser machine. Also check the link in the description. There are some attachments for the Atomstack X24 Pro. I do work with 3mm basswood, so let's do a few tests. Here is the first test with 1 pass, 100% power, 200 speed, 400, 600. You get the idea. And here is the back for 1 pass only. Very nice results for these mug coasters. Check the engraving, very nice. Now I will not burn my table. Cool. Very nice project, you need to try this. Let's make a second test. Another great project done with the Atomstack X24 Pro. Now we just need to paint this carriage. It looks very cool. This project made out of basswood, 3mm basswood, is nest box for my budgies. I do have a lot of birds. Check that engraving, very nice, good details. You must try it. I also engraved it in a bigger piece of wood, looking very cool. I'm gonna start making a lot of these engravings from now on. Another Valentine project came out really good. You must try it, definitely. This was painted by my son, but very good job. Another amazing project, check this out. Railroad crossing gate. Very cool. In conclusion, this Atomstack X24 Pro is a good laser cutting and engraving machine. I definitely will do a lot of videos coming soon. Look how many projects we just did in this simple video. A lot of projects can be done. I like these coasters. My budget next box. It's ready for my births, Valentine's, engraving, and this is for Trackmaster, Thomas and Friends models. Check the link in the description.